So, hi guys, welcome to our linkage software tutorial 4. In this video, we will try to draw figure 2 to 18 together. Also, in this video, I would like to show you guys how we can manually run the rotating anchor in the linkage software tutorial. So, before going through the drawing process, let's check these mechanisms motion here. As you can see, yeah. So, okay, let's check firstly what I draw before this video. Also, this is mine. Dimensions. If you want to draw at your home, you can use these dimensions too. Okay, so as I said before, I will show you menu running in here, how we can do that. So we are right-clicking to the rotating anchor and choosing the always manual operation. For example, I choose this. Also, I select for the others. Okay, let's also draw a motion path. For example, it's selected because of this icon, but it's not. Let's select all of them as motion path. Select for these, and this. Okay. So, okay, let's run it. So for anchor A in here, manually I'm rotating this anchor like this. You see? Manually you can run this. So let's show it this one. Like this. You can see for the anchor E. Like this. What is failing in here probably? There's a dimensional problem for anchor M. Yeah, as you can see, we can also operate those anchor manually. So let's try to draw together, but let me last time show you my dimensions with making a zoom. Since it's a bit small written in here, that's why I would like to zoom all of the dimensions. So let's try to draw together. So firstly, I'm starting with the rotating anchor and just only anchor. Then I need one link to combine them. Okay, let's join it. As I explained already in the tutorial 1, you can set the dimensions like, for example, for the link 1. In the previously, I used in millimeter 17.3178. Like this. You can set the all dimensions in that way. So this is for the first figure. So let's check the second one. So, okay, I'm again starting with the rotating anchor in here. Then I need only an anchor like this. Then I I need a one link more. Okay. Let's join it. So for the third one, again, I'm starting with rotating anchor. Then I need only one anchor. Mhm. One more link. Okay. Like this. This is the third one also. So let's see the last one. Also, since it's the similar for each other, for example, all of the figures in here includes one rotating an anchor and just only one anchor, three links. You can just, for example, copy and paste in here, then rotate it. To be able to rotate it, when you select the all components in the mechanism, you are just clicking one time. Let me show it again. One time. No, it doesn't. To be able to rotate this, but anyway, you can also rotate this figure like this. You are just changing the dimension and getting to different figure in here, like this. This is the fourth one. See? Oh, okay. Last time, let me show it my all dimensions. Okay, this is the end of our tutorial. So thanks for watching.